In this demo, I'm going to test the reliability of data propagation of two techniques that I'm using to generate a real-time analytic dashboard visual on my web application. It's going to be these two pages, the one on the right and the one on the left. The difference in the two pages are the one on the right, I'm using a technique for embedding objects where I'm getting a link using Google APIs for the specific visual and then embedding it in my web page. And the second technique, which is on the page on the left, I'm using JavaScript to generate a chart, real-time, a column chart and a scatter chart, as you see at the page here, real-time, by pointing it to what spreadsheet my data is stored in. So I want to test the reliability of these two techniques. So I'm going to start by first having my base station listen for the data. And then I'm gonna tell my Raspberry Pi, into which I'm SSH into, my microcontroller, to generate system health data about itself and send that to the base station. So after a certain period of time, data is sent continuously after a certain period of time. And just to show you a reference, I'm going to open up this sheet, and then I'm going to quickly just adjust this web page so you can see everything. And so the key idea is that as data propagates, the changes should be reflected on this visual here that you see on the right within the sheet itself, which is the quickest, right? However, this visual should be the same as this visual embedded inside the website. So I want to see how good the data propagation is. And so as you see here, the one on the right still pretty much stuck on the original visual that it had. The one on the left has propagated to the most accurate form. So now it has 5 entries. I'm going to wait for both the pages to refresh. It's about like 30 seconds that I've programmed. I could definitely make it shorter, but for the purpose of this demonstration and for saving my system's resources, because I don't have many. Cool, perfect. And you see here, this one's the web page on the right still stuck at the same visual, while the one on the left is accurate. And yeah, one last one. The web page updates. This has 6 now, right? 41. Just waiting for them to refresh one more time. And as you see, this one has the correct amount with the timestamp, while this one is still stuck on the original one that I had. And that concludes the demo for showing the reliability of data propagation. And in essence, through this testing method, I've realized that this approach on the left, by using JavaScript to generate the chart real time, is much more reliable than relying on a embedded visual link.